Hey, here we are at the Profit Insiders Facebook page. As you can see here, we're still in the old Facebook layout. All the tabs are down here on the side. We've got a long rectangle vertical picture here. Yeah, everything's completely different, okay, than what it's going to look like. We've got our wall kind of like vertically going down. If you're familiar with the timeline, it's going to look completely different than it does right now. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and switch this over to timeline now, and then from there I'm going to show you a couple things to do to get your page optimized, get it ready to go. We're also going to talk about how to add your autoresponder to your page so people can opt into your list. Talk about how to actually integrate your page with your blog or website. And then I'll briefly touch on Facebook ads and show you how to get started there if that's something that you're interested in. So let me go ahead and change this page over to timeline and we'll go from there. Okay, so here we are at the new Profit Insiders. I'm basically showing you how to build the page from scratch here because everything changes. If they change the format on your Facebook page, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. First of all, our profile picture has been completely butchered. We now have just a square image here, and whatever we had before is just not going to show up. You'd actually have to click on it to see it, but that's not even what we want. Okay, so we're going to get rid of that. We're also going to be able to add a cover photo right here that's going to be really cool. It's going to describe our product. And let's see. Then we're also got some other tabs and stuff here that we'll be able to access as well. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is open our admin panel. You want to come over here to manage. Click on edit page. By default, it's going to land here on manage permissions where you can unpublish your page at any time if you want to work on it and not have people come to it. But then also you'll want to come down to basic information. Here you can change your category or brand at any time. But what you want to do is you want to come to username and you want to set up your username. Okay, so here in this section it's going to give you an opportunity to create a username for your page, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Right now, if you look at Break Free from Fat, it's just going to have a bunch of numbers coming out here. But now we own facebook.com/profitinsiders, so it's kind of like your own personalized domain. Okay, so you want to go up there to basic information and you want to request the username for whatever you want to call your page. Okay, so when you give people this URL, you want it to be nice and uniform and pretty. So right now if I give somebody facebook.com/profitinsiders and they go to this site, it's going to take them right here to my page. Okay, so that's what we want. Very first thing we do.